Welcome to Andro-Indian. Today we're moving beyond theory to master the art of holistic thinking in real-world projects.
Knowing the concept is one thing, but applying it? That's where true project success happens. Let's dive into how you can transform your leadership.
First, let's look at decision-making. Holistic thinking transforms how you choose by considering the entire ecosystem, not just isolated tasks.
When you view a project as a whole, you anticipate how a single change in scope can ripple through your budget and timeline. This shift in perspective ensures your decisions align with long-term strategic goals, rather than just solving immediate fires.
Second, practical techniques. To apply systems thinking daily, start by mapping your project's performance domains.
Visualizing these domains helps you see the invisible threads connecting governance, planning, and execution. Try the impact scan technique. Before every stand-up, ask, how does today's progress affect our downstream dependencies?
Next, let's talk about cross-domain risks. Most failures happen in the gaps between traditional project silos.
Holistic thinking allows you to identify dependencies that a standard risk log might miss, especially across different project phases. By shifting from reactive execution to proactive leadership, you manage the system of risks, not just the symptoms.
Fourth, stakeholder collaboration. A holistic view recognizes that stakeholders are part of your project's living system.
Instead of just managing expectations, look for synergies where different stakeholder groups can provide mutual value. When stakeholders see how they fit into the bigger picture, collaboration improves naturally and resistance drops significantly.
Finally, building a holistic mindset. This isn't a one-time task. It's a set of step-by-step habits you build over time.
Start with reflective practice. End each week by analyzing one decision from a systems perspective. What did you miss? Cultivate curiosity. Talk to team members outside your immediate domain to understand their unique constraints and goals.
As these habits take root, you'll find yourself naturally navigating complexity with much greater ease and confidence.
In the Indian tech landscape, where projects are often fast-paced and complex, this holistic approach is no longer optional. It's essential.
By integrating these 5 pillars, you move from just executing a plan to leading a successful project ecosystem.
Ready to lead with a holistic view? Visit androindian.com for more professional project management resources. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching. Share your thoughts in the comments. How has systems thinking helped your latest project?
Catch you in the next one. Stay curious.